it's Rue. In this video, we are going to make a simple drink called the Hennessy and Coke. You ready to make this drink with me? Let's go. To make this drink, we are going to grab these ingredients: Hennessy, Coke, and a maraschino cherry. This is optional. 3 items. It's tool time. Let's go grab them. Ice, a rocks glass, a jigger, a bar spoon, and some tongs. First step, grab your Hennessy bottle, open it. We will be pouring 1 ounce of Hennessy into the glass. Next, grab your Coke, open the can. We will be pouring 3 ounces of Coke into the glass. Take your ice here and your tongs and grab a few ice cubes. Get your bar spoon and stir the drink. This is optional, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to top this drink with a cherry. And there you go, my friends, Hennessy and Coke. Cheers.
If you want to learn how to make more cocktail drinks from home, subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss an episode. Comment below if there's a drink you would like to see next.